Welcome everyone to BTT 151 Fundamentals of Electricity. I'd like to go over your Unit 13 homework on transformers. Question 1, a basic law concerning transformers is that all values of a transformer are proportional to its turns ratio. Question 2, the winding of a transformer, the primary winding of a transformer is the actual input voltage, and of course we take the load from the secondary. Question 3, the excitation current is the amount of current required to magnetize the core of the transformer. Question 4, the ability of one coil to induce a voltage into another coil is called mutual induction. Question 5, a very good rule for any type of transformer is that power in must be equal to power out. Question 6. Assume an isolation transformer has a primary voltage of 120 volts and a secondary voltage of 500 volts. It's asking us to calculate the turns ratio. So the turns ratio A is equal to the secondary voltage divided by the primary voltage. So I plug the numbers in. 500 divided by 120 gives me a turns ratio of 1 to 4.17. Question number 7. This time we have a transformer that has a secondary voltage of 560 volts and a primary voltage of 120 volts, and it's asking us again to calculate the turns ratio. So A is equal to V secondary divided by V primary. 560 divided by 120 gives us a turns ratio of 1 to 4.66. Question 8. Same transformer circuit. Now they're asking us for the actual flow of current in the secondary. So the secondary voltage is 560 volts, and we have a load impedance of 1,000 ohms. Using Ohm's law this time, secondary current is going to be equal to V secondary divided by the impedance. 560 divided by 1,000 is 0.56 amps. Question 9. The distribution transformer changes the high voltage of a power company distribution line to the common 120/240 volts that are used to supply voltages to most homes and businesses. Question 10. Loads that are intended to operate on 120 volts connect from the center tap or what's called the neutral to one of the secondary lines. Question 11. Auto transformers are an example of what's called a one-winding transformer. They don't have any electromagnetic isolation between the primary and secondary. Question 12, our last question. Almost all nameplates will list the primary voltage, secondary voltage, and what's called the power rating, the kVA rating, kilovolt amperes. Thank you.